Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change your email on BitMart. To change your email address on BitMart is easy. First of all, open up your BitMart application and log into your account, or you can also open up your BitMart website and log in. Once you're inside the home page, tap on your human icon at the top left corner, and then in the expanded menu, tap on the little arrow facing towards the right corner at the top right next to your email. Now, click on the Email Verification tab and click on Change Email at the bottom. Enter your new email address in the first text box that you are trying to change to. Once you type in your email, click on Get Code on the next field. You will then receive an email address verification code sent to you on your provided email inbox. Go ahead and open up your email inbox and then you will receive a code. Type down the code in the next field where it says Email Verification Code. Once you type down the correct code, click on Submit. Now, verify your email and your Google Authenticator if enabled. Click the Get Code button right next to Email Verification Code and then go ahead and open up your current email. Your current email will be your previous one that you are trying to change. Simply copy the code inside it, paste it in the Email Verification tab, and then inside your Google Authenticator code option, go ahead and paste in the code inside the Google Authenticator code tab and click on Submit. Once you are done entering the Google Authenticator code, click on Confirm and you will then be able to change your email. That is how you should be able to change your email address on BitMart in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.